I just got home from work and that's why I'm getting lovin's from the doggies. So I've been on a shopping spree because I will go ahead and say it. Me and Jeremy, we're going on a cruise. Yay! For our 10-year anniversary, we are going on Harmony of the Seas. Can't wait. Going to St. Thomas, St. Martin, and Coco Cay. So hopefully the new Coco Cay will be up and going, which it should be by then. But it'll be our 10-year anniversary. Marco, he's wanting to see me too. So, yep. But in this vlog, I just wanted to show some of the stuff that I bought. So I'm super excited. Have you all seen the new Vera Flamingo Fiesta? I think it's what it's called. I love it. I don't know if you all know that I love flamingos, but you probably have noticed it through my vlogs. But yes, I love flamingos, and this new line is awesome. So, alright. So first off, I'm going to show you all is this travel bag. Look how beautiful it is. It's going to be my personal item. Vera Bradley, $89. It's called a pleated tote. And it's from the Flamingo Fiesta line. New this year, came out this spring. So it just came out actually. So, in my bag, I have this little makeup case, the hanging one. Look how cute. And in it, it has luggage tag. You can probably see better this way. It has the luggage tag in the pill box. Love it. So it has lots of room for, I'm going to put my makeup in there and then put my brushes up here so I can keep them organized. And luggage tag. And a little pill box. I'm probably going to actually take this out and put my hair things and my bobby pins in here. That's probably what I will do because I like doing that better. Held at $89. But I love it. So worth it. Okay, also in this bag I got this for work. It's a little lanyard with the ID case. So this was $15 for this, and I can't remember how much this was, but yep. So it hangs on me so I can get in and out of my office at work. I love it too, Flamingo. And also I got this little bag. It's just one of those little, I call them little shopping bags. Market totes, what it's called. It was $10, but it's big enough to put, I put a lot of groceries in it after I get done shopping. I put my groceries so I don't have to make a million trips. And it has, I love this little thing in it, just a little Vera Bradley. There you go. And no pockets are inside or anything, it's just a regular tote bag. Okay, I actually lied. This is what I'm putting my brushes and my makeup in. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. We'll figure out something. Probably my lotions and stuff will go in the other one. But I got this. I'm going to put my brushes. About to put my brushes and my mermaid tail brushes I will put in here. And then it has another zipper area where I will put my makeup. So there's lots of room. Brushes. You can probably put more than just your makeup and brushes too. But retail $44. Love it. I really wanted this bad because, yeah, whenever I buy stuff, I like to keep the same thing going on. So, like I said, we're going on a cruise, so this is going to be perfect. I got this. This is for my straightener. One of those curling and flat iron covers where it's protected so it doesn't burn your clothes. Retails $29. I know you can use like an oven mitt, which is perfect too, but like I said, I like to keep with my theme collars. But yeah, and this is the inside of the tote. I had all that in there, so I can put a lot more stuff in there too. It retailed $89. And I also have a purse that I'll show you too, but the purse looks exactly like that. That's the first thing I bought, was the purse, and just totally fell in love with this design, and then I went crazy overboard. But yeah. Anyhow, I went shopping yesterday on Sunday, and just, you know, I didn't really look for anything in particular, but this hairdryer, She brand, pink and glitter. I couldn't pass it up, which I did actually pass it up. And then I went back today and bought it. Luckily they still had it. Yes, look how pretty. I love it. Looks like a flamingo head. It really does. It's Chi Pro low EMF is what it says, but love the cord. It's made really well, which Chi always makes good stuff. Bought that at TJ Maxx for only $60. Not bad. I have to have a matching straightener. Film the straightener too, which right now I have a Baby Bliss straightener and I love it. I love it, but it is getting old, so perfect timing for a new pink glitter Chi straightener. So I'm ready to try it out and see how it works, see how good it is, and then I'll let y'all know. But yeah, this was $70 for this one. But with the straightener came with this little tote thingy. I think it's like, I think you can put your straightener in it when it's hot too, but I don't know what I'll do with this since I have that other thing. But I already opened it because everybody at my work was wanting to see it. These little Michael Kors flip-flops for only $30, and I had to buy those too. Wasn't on my list, but you know, I love flip-flops and it feels very good. I fall all the time, so it's rough. Speaking of falling, I fell Saturday. Yeah, so hopefully this will help. What, Marky? I love you. You like him? You do? He likes him too. I like him. One more thing. This flamingo brush, didn't need that either, but it's pretty neat. I've never had a brush made like that. Tangle free. Has little flamingos on it. Had to buy it. So yes, I did good. Did very good. I bought some new makeup brushes not too long ago. What brand they are. I bought one, well, ordered it and got it today in the mail. It's Flamingo one. It's okay, I just bought it because it was Flamingo. But yeah, let me show you my purse. Here's my purse. My puppy right there. My flamingo purse. Love it. And I thought about it too. I also got this little thing I meant to show. Sunglass holder. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. But yep, that's my purse. So, yep, I'm flamingoing it out.